Hi everyone, welcome to the IoT Hero Show, my weekly showcase of thought leadership in the Internet of Things. My name is Tom Raftery, I'm the Global IoT Evangelist for SAP, and now, on with the show. Hi everyone, welcome to the Innovation Evangelist Show. My name is Tom Raftery, and with me I have Edina. Edina, would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure, thank you, Tom. My name is Edina Sewell, and I work in the Industry Business Unit Automotive at SAP, and I have the pleasure to work on topics like, beyond the traditional automotive industry in the new mobility industry.
Phenomenal. And what are we sitting in?
Today we are sitting in the Rinspeed Snap vehicle, and this is actually the result of the collaboration between SAP and the company Rinspeed, which is originally a concept vehicle company from Switzerland, and they are creating these vehicles to really give you a little bit of like a leap into the future and experience how the future of mobility could look like.
So this is an autonomous electric vehicle, and what would be use cases for it?
So yes, exactly. So this vehicle resembles the level 5 autonomous vehicle because there is no steering wheel in it. So this is like completely enjoying your travel, like while everything is automatically taken care of. It reflects all the four main automotive mega trends. It is autonomous, it is electric, it is actually shared economy. It reflects the shared economy with different models as well. And we have the main focus is changing the mobility behavior, the mobility options, especially in urban areas, because we know that cities face a big challenge. They have a lot of people living in there, and they need some new options, to have a comfortable and convenient and flexible mobility options.
Okay, superb. And so, who would use this, and what would they use it for?
So what we sit in currently is a so-called passenger pod, and the unique thing about this approach what Rinspeed is displaying with this so-called project, the Rinspeed Snap, is that you have the pod and you have the so-called chassis or skateboard that could be separated from each other. So we could create pods for different use cases, for multiple use. What we're sitting in currently is a passenger pod, so it could be traveling, it could be supporting us by traveling to work, or kids could be taken to schools, but a pod could be created also for delivering packages. It could be a medical pod, it could be a retail pod, it could be like anything. It's pretty much kind of depending on your imagination, depending on the needs of the city.
Okay, and I understand this is a Rinspeed concept vehicle. Is this something that the car manufacturers would take on board and start doing at big production levels, or how would that all work?
So the main goal of Rinspeed is that they are giving the art of the possible. They are giving some kind of inspiration and imagination for the automotive industry, how we believe that we can move into the sustainable and really comfortable mobility age. If there is any automotive manufacturer going to pick this up and go with it, my personal opinion, I would hope for it, because this is something very tangible, a very great idea. Indeed, Daimler Urban concept vehicles resemble a lot of similarity to this concept.
Fantastic. And what's our play? What's SAP's play in this space?
So if you look at the future of mobility, we believe that there's a lot of ecosystem players come together. As in this project, we have about 25 different customers, 25 different companies participating. So we believe in the future, the different silos that used to work pretty much independently each other, they need to come together to really combine their powers, and at the end provide these mobility options to the end users. So if we look at the utility companies due to the electrification, if we look at the automotive companies, if you look at the smart cities, if you look at retail, if you look at health, this could be all connected. And we believe that from SAP we have the powerful solution portfolio that can support this whole ecosystem, and applying intelligent technologies and apply the intelligent suite from SAP, we can enable the future of mobility.
Tremendous. Last question. Any question I didn't ask you that you think I should have asked you?
Maybe I can ask you how you like the environment. How do you enjoy sitting in this car? What is your impression?
Turning it around, turning the tables back on me. I love it. So I think it's really cool. I really do. I love the way it's appointed with the kind of iPad-like devices here, screens. I like the quality of the seating. I like the fact that it's seats facing each other with lots of light in it as well. It's really well thought out and really well appointed. And I love the whole skateboard idea as well, that you can swap out the pods, put in different pods on the same skateboard and move around. So no, I think it's really cool.
maybe just a quick addition to it also, the experience that what we received over here, the feedback at this Congress at the MWC 2019, that a lot of visitors who come to SAP, they think about it as us being only the ERP company, and it is a great possibility for us to talk to our customers or future customers and visitors about that our capabilities are much beyond just the financial transactions, the billing transactions, the manufacturing, and all of these supply chain elements, but how we can apply all of these core elements, extend it with our intelligent portfolio, with our intelligent technologies to really also support the new players.
Fantastic. Edina, that's been brilliant. Thanks a million for talking to us today.
Okay, thank you very much, Tom.